I am Uday Vance. Welcome to you to your favorite YouTube channel, Uday Vance's English or Learn English with Uday Vance. Today's topic is change of adverbs and adverbials in a direct and indirect speech. At first, we should know about the adverbs and then adverbials. What is adverb? The word that modifies the meaning of a verb or the meaning of an adjective or the meaning of another adverb is an adverb. I am about to repeat it once again. The word that modifies the meaning of a verb, that is an adverb. The word that modifies the meaning of an adjective, and that is an adverb. And the word that modifies the meaning of another adverb is also an adverb. Let's take examples. Example number 1. Lata ran quickly. And here, Lata is the subject, ran is the verb, and the word quickly modifies its meaning. And as it modifies its meaning, so it is an adverb. Lata ran quickly, ran is the verb, and the word quickly modifies its meaning, so it is an adverb. Example number 2. Lata is more beautiful, or we can say Lata is very beautiful. And in this particular sentence, beautiful is the adjective, and the word very modifies its meaning. So here, very is an adverb. And example number 3. I have taught you before, the word that modifies the meaning of another adverb is also an adverb. Lata ran so quickly. Lata ran so quickly. Quickly is an adverb, and the word so modifies its meaning, so it is an adverb. That means we can simply say once again, the word that modifies the meaning of a verb or the meaning of an adjective or the meaning of another adverb is an adverb. What are adverbials? Adverbs and adverbials have the same meanings, but there is only one difference. And what is the difference? The difference is that adverbials have more than one words, and that is the difference. Adverbials have more than one words, and that is the difference. Example: Sita sat quietly. Sita sat quietly. Here, quietly is an adverb. But if I write another sentence, Sita sat in a quiet manner. Sita sat in a quiet manner. So, in a quiet manner, and that is called an adverbial. So, we should now proceed towards the change of adverbs and adverbials in a direct and indirect speech. In a direct speech, if today is used, it is changed into that day. That means if in a direct speech today is used and it becomes that day in indirect speech. Example: Sita said, I have posted the letters today. Sita said, I have posted the letters today. And if we want to turn this direct speech into indirect speech, and the answer will be, Sita said that she had posted the letters that day. Because today becomes that day. Then, now becomes then in indirect speech. Example: Sita said, I am working now. And its answer will be, Sita said that she was working then. Because now becomes then in indirect speech. Today is clear, now is clear, next, tomorrow. And tomorrow becomes day after or following day. Example: Sita said, I will go there tomorrow. And if we turn this particular speech into indirect speech, the answer will be, Sita said that she would go there day after or following day. And yesterday, in case of yesterday, that means if Yesterday is used in direct speech, it becomes previous day or day before. Previous day or day before. Example, Sita said, I made a chair yesterday. And its answer is, Sita said that she had made a chair day before or previous day. And then this becomes that or the in indirect speech. This becomes that or the in indirect speech. Example, Sita said, I am writing this letter. Sita said, I am writing this letter. And its answer will be, Sita said that she was writing that letter. Or she was writing the letter. So this becomes that. This becomes those. Sita said, I have written these letters. And answer will be, Sita said that she had written those letters. The example is, Sita said, I have written these letters. And the answer will be, Sita said that she had written those letters. So this becomes that, this becomes those. Ego. Ego becomes before. Ego becomes before. Sita said, I met him ago. Sita said, I met him ago. And its answer will be, Sita said that she had met him before. Sita said that she had met him before. Next, ultimo. Ultimo means especially last month. And it becomes, last month becomes month before or previous month. Likewise, ultimo becomes month before or previous month. Proximo means next month. And as of tomorrow, it becomes month after or following month. And then we should proceed towards thus. And if in direct speech thus is used, it becomes so or in that way in indirect speech. If thus is used in direct speech, it becomes so or in that way in indirect speech. Example, Sita said, I have done this work thus. Sita said, the question is, Sita said, I have done this work thus. And its answer will be, Sita said that she had done that work in that way or so. Sita said that she had done that work in that way or so. That means you can use either so or in that way, because thus becomes so or in that way in indirect speech. So perhaps I think that now the change of adverbs and adverbials are clear to you. But there are some of the restrictions in case of changing adverbs and adverbials. And as the preliminary point of view, I am telling you the first restriction. What is the first restriction? If the tense